What is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? It is your boy, Terry Stonkers, and welcome to my channel, baby, Buy the Dip. All right, guys, in today's video, we got a little bit of information we got to get out about Ggpi Polestar. There's a big movement supposed to happen tomorrow. Will the stock rally on this stock twits movement? I want to put a video out here and say I appreciate the movement, and let's get this baby rolling, because I do agree that this stock is way undervalued, truly undervalued compared to a lot of EV stocks out there. And we're going to go over that movement, what's going to supposedly start tomorrow, and we'll see if this movement can get the stock to rally. So hope you're all ready for today's video. If you are, smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below. It helps out the algorithm and gets this information out there. So baby, let's go. All right, hope you enjoyed that intro there. We were Ric Flair strutting our stuff, limousine riding, jet flying there at the beginning of that intro, because, like I said, there is money to be made in this stock, and it's truly undervalued. So, first thing we're going to go, trading at $11.57, guys. There's no reason this stock shouldn't be anywhere close to $20. So, here's going to be some of the stuff we're seeing. If you're on Stock Twits, you'll kind of, let me minimize this here. You're going to see people posting these kind of pictures. Ggpi, we are taking the stock to 25 plus. Buy on 12.13. Spread the word. I'm doing my part here to spread the word for Polestar, because I do believe this company is truly undervalued. And it could be just because it's a SPAC, but it's truly undervalued. And I'm going to do this video to spread the good word. So they're talking about a mass kind of buy tomorrow. So that's the thing. 12.13 buy. You also may see this post down here. Oh, why is it showing up like that? But anyway, we don't want to show that one. There we go. Nice full post. Let me get my picture out of the way. There we go. Short squeeze schedule start Monday the 13th. We are organizing a big buy day to start uptrend to $25 next week. We are suffering a lot of shorts and sales pressure and will respond on Monday. Next week, we need to stay together, buy and hold. Our goal is 25 next week. Spread the news, Reddit Army, Discord Army, Facebook, Wall Street Bets, hashtag Ggpi, hashtag buy Ggpi stock, hashtag Ggpi buy and hold, hashtag Ggpi $25. So there it is. That is the picture, one of the pictures you may be seeing out there. Let me go back and find this other one where it's a little better picture. This one here. There we go. So it's pretty much the same thing, just different layout. You can see the different buy times they have over here. They got 9:25 a.m., 12 p.m., 3:50 p.m., and 7:45 p.m. So there is what's going on that. Now, we're going to go over some of the short squeeze information on this stock, because I got the premium version of Fintel, and that is what they're talking about. The stock is getting shorted. So we're going to go take a look at the Fintel right now on it. We are on the premium Fintel. We're going to go take a look at this information we got. It says our short squeeze score is 80.27. Now that is ranked out of 100 scores. So we are 80.27 out of a 100 score from 0 to 100. We are ranked number 122 out of 5,465 stocks. So we are almost in the top 100 for a short squeeze candidate score, according to Fintel. It says here the short shares availability, updated 29 minutes ago, was 300,000 shares. What this means, guys, there's a leading prime brokerage out there that has shares that could be lent out to short. And out of that now, there's only 300,000 shares left. You look back on the 9th, there was 1 million shares. And you can see on the 10th, there was at one point 750,000 shares and went the whole way back down to 90,000 shares. And then they did return some back to 250 and 300,000. So keep that in mind. We get out here and look at the short borrow fee. This is how much it's going to cost them to borrow the stock and to short it. 2.94%. You can see it did get up on the 10th to 3.23%, but it's hanging there at 2.94%. Let's get out here and take a look at the FINRA dark pool total volume. 2.1 million roughly, and they shorted a little over 1 million shares, which gives a FINRA dark pool short volume ratio of 48.6. Almost half of the FINRA dark pool volume was shorted, guys. Now we're going to go here and take a look at the combined short volume ratio. This includes the FINRA we just covered, the CBOE, and the PSX. Combined, they shorted 2.585 million, which gives a combined short volume ratio of 49.68. Looks like the last, look at this failures to deliver, guys. The fails to deliver represents the aggregate net balance of the fails to delivers as a particular settlement date. This was last month. There was over 2 million shares. Now, this hasn't updated in a while, but the last time this updated was about a month ago, a little over a month ago. And, oh no, the quantity was 179,000 shares. The value was over 2 million. Sorry about that. Get down here and look at the short interest percent of float. It was saying 5.63%. And we get down here and looks about the same. Now, what I want to show you as well, we're going to go look at the total number of shares that it's showing here on Fintel outstanding for GGPI, the SPAC. So it's saying the shares outstanding is 100,000 shares. What it's telling me of the institutional owners, guys, 122 institutional owners, 117 of them are long, 0 is short, 5 is long and short. If we go here and look at the institutional shares that are long, this is telling me that there's over 60 million shares held by the institutional investors, which is saying over 60% of the shares is held by the institutional investors. Now, I don't know if it has any insider trades here. No, doesn't have any insider trades because I believe it's still a SPAC. So we need to go back to the institutional owners. We're going to go back and look at this here. For anything you can see here, these green rows indicates brand new positions. The red rows indicates closed positions. But I mean, we're going to go look here at the first. I'm going to show you here. Look at this score, the ownership accumulation score, guys. This is very key because it's a 96.48 out of a 100. We are ranked number 100 stock out of over 21,788 stocks. And what this means is it's an accumulation score that basically the highest levels of institutional accumulation. So keep that in mind. The scoring model uses a combination of the total increase in disclosed owners and the changes in portfolio allocations along with other metrics. And GGPI is up there, guys. We are the top in the top 100. Now we'll go take a look at the buyers and the sellers here. This is going to show you all institutional buyers. Look at all these green positions. Check this out. Look at all these green. And these are huge positions. I mean, 1.4 million, 1.7 million. I mean, a couple 100,000, 30,000, 40,000, 700,000 right there, 60,000, 1.6 million. These are all in November, guys. Look at all of these Novembers I'm scrolling here. 1.3 million, 1.9 million. These shares are getting bought up. I mean, look at all these green positions. So let's go take a look at the sellers real quick. How's that looking? There's some sellers here that I'm not going to lie. There is some sellers along with buyers. But as you can see, I could pretty much get all the sellers on one scroll. But from what it's telling me here, we take this information with a grain of salt. But they're saying there's only about 40% of shares left for like the retail investor and possibly, well, this is going to change when it goes to Polestar. Depends how many shares they're actually going to issue out. But currently as a SPAC, from what this is saying, there's only 40% of the shares left for retail investors, insider trades, and the short. And if you stay here this long, I appreciate your support. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification on. I have plenty of videos out here on GGI Polestar. I love this stock. I've been promoting the stock. I'm all for the movement tomorrow. I hope the movement happens because this stock deserves it. Here was a video I did back on the 4th. I went over that Seeking Alpha article where it compared Polestar to Tesla, Lucid, and Rivian. And you could just see by these numbers that we're looking for Polestar to do 29,000 units estimated sale in 2021. But then you got Lucid only having reservations and Rivian really ain't doing anything either. But Tesla is the big, one producing. But like I said, in my opinion, GGPI at least deserves to be $20 to $25 in my personal opinion. So I'm all for the movement. Like I said, like and subscribe, put that bell notification on, and GGPI Army, man, buy and hold. I'll catch you on the next video, guys. Peace.